In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in a Mailchimp email campaign. First, open your Mailchimp account and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're in the right workspace if you manage multiple brands. Having your new image file ready on your computer or knowing where it lives in your file manager will make this go even faster. Next, go to Campaigns. This is where all your emails, automations, and drafts live. Find the campaign you want to update. If it's a draft, you'll see it listed. If it's a sent campaign you're trying to replicate, consider working from a copy so you don't lose your original formatting. Open your email by clicking the campaign and then selecting Design Email. This takes you into the Content Builder, where you can edit text blocks, buttons, and of course, images. Give it a moment to load, especially if your template has multiple sections. Click the image you want to replace. You'll know you've selected it when the editing panel appears on the right or a toolbar pops up above the block. If the image is part of a larger section, make sure you've clicked directly on the image itself, not just the surrounding block. Now, click Replace, or choose Edit Image if you need to adjust the existing one. Replace lets you swap in a new file, while Edit Image opens Mailchimp's editor for quick tweaks like cropping, resizing, or adjusting brightness. Use Edit if the image is mostly right but needs small changes. Otherwise, Replace is the fastest route. Choose your new image. You can upload it from your computer, select one from the file manager if you've used it before, or use Giphy if your account has that option and you want an animated touch. Keep file size reasonable for faster loading and aim for the dimensions your template expects to avoid stretching. Consistent aspect ratios help your layout stay clean. If you're pulling from the file manager, look for naming conventions you recognize so you don't accidentally pick an outdated asset. Click Insert to place the image into your email. Take a moment to preview how it looks in the block. If something seems off, like it's too large or not centered, use the alignment, padding, or size controls in the editor to refine it. Finally, click Save. This commits the change to your email content. If your template uses similar blocks, scan the rest of the email to ensure overall visual consistency. That's it. You've successfully replaced an image in your Mailchimp campaign.